In this episode of Financial Literacy for Beginners, I want to talk about 5 habits that make you money immediately. Cue the intro. So 5 habits that you can start today that will make you money immediately. Number 1, start budgeting. Budgeting is one of the easiest things that you can do to start making money immediately in your life, because a lot of people don't do it. A lot of people live their lives just earning money, paying out bills, paying for things that they don't need to pay for because they aren't budgeting. So if you can start making budgeting a habit in your life, you will start to earn money immediately, because once you put that budget in front of you, first you're going to see all the things you're spending money on, and you could begin to throw out all those things that you don't need to be spending money on, and all those things you stop paying for that you don't need to be spending money on. That's immediate money that you're going to profit into your bank account. Number 2, automate your savings. And this is one of the things that a lot of people really overlook and people kind of devalue, is the power of automating your savings. You know, really putting an automated process in place so that the money that you want to save is always being routed from what you're earning, so that you never really have to think about it. And what happens is you look back and you'll see that you gained so much extra income in your savings just from having that process automated. You know, one of the main things that we do is we spend the money in hand that we have. You know, a lot of people do this because we make impulse buys and we do things that will, you know, cause us to eventually start losing money because we don't automate those processes. There are a great deal of apps out there that will allow you to do this, so definitely look into that. Number 3, planning your meals. Now, this is something that I know a lot of people already think about and already do, but if you can really stick to this as a habit and really plan your meals out, you will save so much money, you know, eating out and things like that, that you'll be able to really, you know, have those experiences when you want them. If you enjoy eating out and doing all of those things, then by all means do that. But what I'm saying is, if you can plan out your meals, even those experiences, and understand where the money is going and how the money is being spent, you start to make money in return, because you're not overspending on things. You're not getting into situations that oftentimes happen where, oh, let's go out and eat, or let's get food from this place, and you can't figure out what you're going to do, so you end up overspending on things, or you're buying too much food at a restaurant. This happens a lot of times where you might even, you know, have an inkling of going out, but you overspend at whatever restaurant and you don't even eat all of the food. You know, so definitely planning out your meals if they're at home, and even if you are going to be eating out, planning out what you're going to eat really does go a long way in helping you save money, which in turn makes you money. Number 4, investing your extra money. Making this a habit in your life, which really goes along with what we talked about previously in the automation of things. You can automate this as well. Automate your investing of your extra money. A really good app for this is Acorns. I use it myself. Even though I do invest and I do trade stocks and all of that, I still have my Acorns account that, you know, just kind of generates money behind the scenes. You know, I don't even have to think about it. So that's one thing that you can definitely make a habit, you know, investing your extra money. And again, you can automate that process and it will immediately make you money. And number 5 on the list of things that will immediately make you money is, drumroll, giving. Giving will immediately make you money, because if you're constantly giving to charities, you're always putting yourself in a position to keep more of the money that you actually earn. Let me know down in the comments below if you have other things to add to the list. Please do leave this video a like, and if it's your first time to the channel, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell so that you can be notified when we drop other content. We drop videos on this channel every day, so I would love to see you back here tomorrow for our next video. I hope this was helpful for someone, and until we talk again, I wish you health, wealth, and freedom.